What's the meaning of backing? Backing. Backing.
Backing. Backing. The term backing can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One common meaning is the act of supporting or endorsing someone or something, or to provide financial or other types of support. For example, a business might seek the backing of investors to launch a new product. Another meaning of backing could refer to a material used to reinforce or support something, such as a backing for a carpet or a backing for a photograph. The term can also be used in sports, music, and other areas where it refers to the support or encouragement given to a player or performer. Overall, backing usually implies some form of support, reinforcement, or endorsement.